A strange object is drifting through the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured images that leave even the top scientists puzzled. Is it a comet, an asteroid, or something far more extraordinary? At first glance, it looks like a comet. It has a faint tail. A glimmering trail stretches out behind it. Yet, when analyzed closely, it behaves more like an asteroid, tumbling, wobbling, shifting in ways that don't quite fit the predictable dance of icy space debris. But here's the twist. When the latest images from the James Webb Space Telescope were revealed, this strange object appeared to defy every simple explanation. And that is why the debate has exploded. Comet? Asteroid? Or could it be a spaceship? A new visitor is screaming through our cosmic neighborhood, and it's causing quite a stir. Meet Threeey Atlas, an interstellar object moving at a blistering 60 kilometers per second. It was first spotted in July. At first, it was cataloged just like countless other small cosmic travelers. But quickly, scientists noticed something unusual. Its trajectory made no sense. Threeey Atlas isn't just wandering. It isn't just passing by casually like a comet from the Oort cloud. No, this celestial anomaly has a path that seems almost scripted, almost choreographed. Its journey includes a series of impossibly close flybys: Mars, the Sun, Jupiter, one after another. Almost like checkpoints. Almost like destinations. And the probability of this exact path occurring naturally? Just 0.05%. Yes, a statistical impossibility. A sequence of cosmic coincidences so rare, so unlikely that even the most skeptical astrophysicists are quietly admitting something about this object feels different. Now let's pause here. Imagine this. You're looking through the James Webb Telescope's deep space eye. You're peering into the vast black canvas of the universe, and suddenly you see it. A faint glow. Not bright, not explosive, but deliberate. Not the fiery, predictable streak of a comet. Not the silent, rock-like stillness of an asteroid. No. This glow pulses strangely, almost like a heartbeat. Its trail bends, shifts, and moves in ways that seem unusual, almost calculated, almost deliberate. And here's the question echoing across space agencies, universities, and late-night discussions worldwide. Is this a probe masking as a comet? Is this brightness an engineered signal? NASA, of course, says no. Their official statement insists this is a natural object. But for once, the world isn't so sure. Because this is not the first time. Remember Oumuamua? That mysterious cigar-shaped object that zipped through our solar system in 2017? It too moved strangely. It too accelerated in ways that didn't match normal physics. And back then, Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb asked the forbidden question: was it alien technology? And now, Threeey Atlas appears. Is this coincidence, or are we seeing a pattern? December is coming, and with it, the closest approach of this mysterious traveler. Every telescope is pointing toward it. Every scientist is analyzing its behavior. Every dreamer, every believer, every skeptic is watching. But here's where it gets even stranger. Threeey Atlas seems to be responding to solar winds in a way that doesn't make sense. Instead of being pushed outward, like comets usually are, it appears to be adjusting, correcting its course. As if guided, as if steering. And that faint glow? Some astrophysicists whisper it could be artificial. Not light reflecting, not simple outgassing, but energy. The idea sounds wild, too wild. But ask yourself, if a civilization far more advanced than ours wanted to hide their technology, what better disguise than a rock, a comet, a drifting piece of debris? What better camouflage than blending into the billions of objects that already litter space? And here's where the public comes in. Because unlike centuries past, when only royal astronomers peered into the skies, today anyone can track. Amateur astronomers, backyard telescopes, even small observatories around the world are pointing their eyes toward Threeey Atlas. And what they are seeing only deepens the mystery. Some claim to have recorded flickers, flashes of light at precise intervals. Almost like Morse code. Almost like a beacon. Is it trying to communicate? Others dismiss this, saying it's just noise, just natural reflections. But the fact remains, this object is unlike anything we've cataloged before. And here's a thought that keeps some scientists awake at night. What if it's not arriving? What if it's surveying? Mapping? Studying us from afar? After all, Earth has been sending signals into space for decades. Radio transmissions, television broadcasts, even the Voyager probes. We have been shouting into the cosmos. Here we are. What if someone has finally answered? Now let's talk numbers. Threeey Atlas is moving at 60 kilometers per second. That's faster than almost anything we can launch today. For comparison, Earth itself orbits the Sun at 30 kilometers per second. This object is moving twice as fast as our home planet. And speed means intention. Speed means fuel or power or design. Its projected closest approach will bring it within range for detailed observation. And when that moment comes, the truth, whatever it is, will be revealed. But are we ready? Think about it. If this is just a comet, then all of this speculation fades into history, just another strange rock that captured our imagination. But if it isn't, if it turns out to be something more, what does that mean for us? It would mean that we are not alone, that we never were. And suddenly, every ancient story, every myth of sky visitors, every tale of gods descending from the heavens takes on a new light. Suddenly, the silence between the stars is broken, and humanity's place in the universe changes forever. Now, skeptics point out that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. They are right. The burden of proof is enormous, but the patterns are undeniable. A trajectory too perfect. A glow too unusual. A path that seems intentional. Even if this is natural, it's not ordinary. And so the world watches. The countdown to December has begun. Because when Threeey Atlas makes its closest approach, the answers may finally emerge. Or perhaps only more questions. Because here's the thing about mysteries from space, they rarely end. They evolve, they deepen, they expand. And sometimes they change everything. So ask yourself this: if this really is more than a comet, more than a rock, more than a random traveler, if this truly is a probe, a signal, or even a spaceship, then who sent it? And more importantly, what do they want? This is KM's Celestial Journey. And the sky has just given us another mystery. But the story doesn't end here. Because as we speak, new data is pouring in. New images are being analyzed. And whispers are growing louder. The silence between the stars just got louder. And the question remains, when the truth is revealed, will humanity be ready? Or will we look back on this moment, this very moment, as the day the universe finally knocked on our door? The countdown continues. Stay curious. Stay watching. And remember, sometimes the greatest discoveries are not in the answers, but in the questions. Because somewhere out there, drifting in the vast, endless dark, a strange object is waiting. And soon, very soon, we will find out what it really is.